Ben Sansone, injury lawyer with Sansone Lauber. People sometimes ask me, is it worth it? Do I need to hire an injury lawyer? The answer to that is absolutely yes. Why? An insurance company is not going to pay a non-lawyer what their case is worth. In fact, often they'll deny liability and won't pay you anything, or they'll pay you a couple $1,000s to get you to go away and to think you got a good deal before you hire a lawyer. Let me give you some specific examples of cases that our law firm has handled and why this scares the insurance company. We had a case where we got a verdict in 2021. This was the Daniel Woodgate versus St. James Winery case. March 5th, 2021, we had a judgment after a jury verdict for $14 million. In that case, the insurance company offered zero to our clients, and our clients hired us pretty soon after their crash. It was a motorcycle injury crash. And even going into trial, the top offer from the insurance company for our client was $500,000. A jury disagreed and came back with $14 million. The insurance companies know this and they remember this and they go, if we don't pay Ben Sansone's client what their case is worth, we could end up with a problem like this. Another case that was just recently, just this past December, is in St. Louis County. It was the Carl Merriweather versus Ricky Edwards case. This was another case that went to a jury verdict. On this case, a different law firm had the file before us, and the top offer was $18,000. We filed the lawsuit. We prepared the case for trial. Then the insurance company scrambled and tried to pay us $25,000, which was the defendant's policy limits, but it was too late. We took them to trial, and we got a jury verdict for $504,964. And the insurance company had to pay every penny of that to our client. So when someone asks me, hey, is it worth hiring a lawyer? Well, if you don't want to pay a lawyer and you want to go home with $500,000 on a $14 million case, or if you want to go home with $18,000 on a $505,000 case, then I would facetiously say, don't hire a lawyer. But obviously, you do want to hire a lawyer, and that is the reason why. And that is why insurance companies fear us. Give us a call, email, text us, Ben Sansone, 314-863-0504. Or just Google Ben Sansone, Sansone. You'll find our website with all of our contact information.